Dug down another 3-4 inches, and now we've got 2x6s here, and we definitely have to get more separation. Of course, these things, you can't move them, right? So they're stuck and putting pressure on it. So just praying for the crack, the break to happen. So we I cut the pie. Now I'm just digging the roots out of this section here. And as you can see, making progress. That's long enough, honey. Okay, I got one section out. I want to show you what's coming. That's the difference. It's quite a bit deeper. 1/6 done. Okay, halfway mark. Past halfway, actually. Pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. Project update, last piece left. Pretty exciting. Well, the job's complete. The root is gone. Pretty amazing. Okay, I got the soil prepared, leveled, and I put in some organic material so that I'll be ready to plant.